Hey, Steve Noble, Noble Moto. We are doing another tire review video. However, where before I was doing the back tire on my Harley, might add the Metzler Cruise Tech is holding it very well. Today we're going to do tire reviews for my dirt bike. It's a 250X. It's an enduro, so this isn't like a full dirt tire. This is going to be street and enduro use. I bought a 50-50 tire because that's about what I'm going to be using it as, 50-50. So it's mostly a trail bike, but it'll still kind of sure get joy road around town and stuff like that. And wanted to still have some grip, and of course, want to make sure I still have some decent tread in case I get caught in the rain. A lot of times those knobbies can hydroplane and stuff. So I picked up a set, front and rear, of the Shinko SR244. Also known as the Golden Boy. It's a very superhero-ish name for a tire. I actually ran these things on a Honda CL350 years ago, and it didn't get a lot of street use, but they did work very well on moderate off-road stuff, you know, kind of two-track trails. I've been really happy with the Shinko products on my Harley. I'm amazed at how well they work, especially bang for the buck. So, I figured I'd pick some up for the Enduro. So, not a whole lot to talk about them yet, but they're round, they're black, they do the things. We're going to put them on this bike, and we'll see how they are in the street, see how they are off-road, of course, see how their wet traction is, and see how the street dry traction is. Like, how are these things doing, 55 miles an hour? It's not a super fast bike, but I still want it to be semi-stable at 55, 60 miles an hour. Or as stable as a 300-pound, 250-pound, whatever this thing weighs, bike is going to be. So yeah, they look pretty good so far, so we're going to mount them up, put them on there, and stay tuned to my channel. So obviously the mileage specs aren't going to be quite the same because it's going to get used off-road and stuff like that. It's not just highway mileage. So we'll cover a couple different things with it. We'll look at, how well does it grip on the pavement? How well does it grip in the grease mud? How well does it grip on the pavement in the rain? How well does it grip in sand? I'm just going to have to go out and explore and find new territories and terrains to ride on. Until then, yeah, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. I'll give an update about, I don't know, after I get a few hundred miles on them, and once I get a few, a little bit of trail time on them. So yeah, that's all I got.